Upasana and I'm a master's student at University of Bremen. I'm doing my master's in control microsystems and microelectronics. Chose this course because this master's course is closely related to my bachelor's field. I did my bachelor's in electronics and telecommunication from KIIT Bhubaneswar. I graduated in 2022 and I just rushed with my application because I didn't want to discontinue my studies after my bachelor's was completed. But yet I have 6 months of experience with Accenture as an associate software engineer. I chose University of Bremen because first of all, it's a small city with a lot of opportunities. Also, it has the facilities like for the residence permit and the job opportunities because there are so many offices present over here within the university campus itself. So there are ample working student positions available over here. So just you need to search in the university portal itself, or you can go to the main websites of the companies which are over here and search for the open positions. And I also chose because there are so many Indian students out here, and it's a big Indian student association group which is present over here in Bremen, which is quite active, and the students from nearby cities like Hanover, Hamburg are also aware of the Indian Student Association group of Bremen. Also, the semester ticket includes many facilities compared to other city universities, so we have much of access through our semester ticket. So yeah, that's the reason I chose University of Bremen. So let's start with room tour. So this is my room. It's a really small room, like it's a 7 meter square apartment like my room. And the thing which are included in the rent is the study table, the chair, the bed, the shelf, and the cupboard. So yeah, all these things were included in the rent, and the rent is around 380. So it's a private vacay and it's a bit costly compared to student phone-in, because student phone-in is really cheaper than the private vacays. So it's quite difficult to get a student phone-in, so that's why I had no option other than choosing a private vacay which is near to university, as my apartment is it's near to the university. Like it has 2 tram stops which connects to university itself. One is Forstrasse and another one is Berufsbildungswerk. And let me show the view outside my window. So it's a bit snowy because currently Germany is filled with snow like all over the places, and there are some garbages which you can see outside. So tomorrow is the garbage day for Gelbesag and paper. So Gelbesag is the plastic items dustbin, so people just keep it outside so that next day the van comes and collect it. So people out here are really strict regarding this garbage separation, and students staying in private vacay, they need to be really cautious about this thing. Like they have to segregate it really strictly, because if it's done in a wrong way, then they would charge fine. Here in room I have decorated it, like I've decorated it whatever means were available to me. Like this all things were available near my house. It was in Superschenken, which is giveaway, so I got it from there and thought of decorating it. And these are the few items which I got. So that's it. That was all about my room. So let's have a tour of our vacay. So this is a 4-shared apartment. So one room is here, the second room, third room, and the fourth room is attic. And here we have the bathroom. This is the common area, which is very small. And here is the kitchen. The kitchen is also not too big, but yeah, that's sufficient. All these things were already given to us. Like we have this mini fridge and oven, and also a microwave, and the big fridge. Also we have to separate our waste materials. So this one is for bio, this one is for gelbeza, and this is the rest milk. This one is for plastic and dairy thing, and this one is other products which doesn't come under any of them. And the paper one, we have kept it inside only due to snowfall. The view outside is really good. The kitchen is attached to balcony. It's really cold. It's almost sunset time, and this is one room which also has the balcony access. Whenever we go out, it's important to check the weather. So today it's showing like there will be 65% possibilities of snowfall. So I'll be wearing my boots so that I don't slip. It gets really slippery out here when it gets freezy and snowfall is there. So I'll be wearing my woolen socks and then boots. This I got from India, but you can easily get it here. It's from H&M, but you will get it here in Deichmann, H&M, CNA, New Yorker, everywhere. This kind of Chelsea boots are available, and these are really cool. I'm ready now. Just let's put on the winter wear. So this is the jacket. It's a parka jacket. I got it in Black Friday sale, and it's from the local store out here in Bremen itself. So I got it for 50 euros, and it's really warm. You don't need much layering. It just works with thermal. But if you're too cold, then obviously you can go out for pullovers and such shit. And gloves after putting some hand cream. And a cute little cozy scarf. So that's on the outfit for today. So I'll go to class by. Hi guys, so finally I'm out, and it's 8 and still it's dark, not sunny at all, and it's cloudy. It might rain or snow, but it's cold. Yeah, it's cold. So this jacket is perfect, this woolen is perfect, because this keeps your whole neck area so warm. So I guess whenever you come to Germany, just buy a parka jacket which will cover half of your body, and it's really good. The thing is, today is a train strike here, but we won't get any trains or trams maybe. This is Forstrasse student wohnen, and it has mainly shared apartments, and there are not really any studio apartments available here. So the building adjacent to Forstrasse is Spitalerstrasse, and it has both studio and shared apartments. And the nearest bus stop to both the student wohnheims are Universität Ost, and the tram station which is nearer is Berufsbildungswerk. And if you want to walk further, then you'll get Forstrasse tram stop. These 3 are the stops where a person can, or a student can, access to different parts of Bremen from here. So this is another student wohnen, which is Emmys, and this is a shortcut towards University Glass Building, and especially where my class is happening, it's in GW2. And as you can see, it's snowing, so it's a bit difficult to walk over this frozen paths. This is sports area. That's the swimming pool. So we are going to recharge the Mensa card. Yeah, we show you the Mensa card university. So this is the Mensa card. I'll check whether it has money or not. So it has only 30 cents. So I just put the money, 10 euro. And it goes out here. Okay, so now I do it okay, and we get the Mensa card back. So it's recharged. It has the money now. So we'll go and have food in Mensa. Let's go. So this is the class building of university, which has student and work office within it, and also TK office. There is direct connections available to university, and the stop name is Universitat Central Barrage. So here is 6-number tram and many buses have the direct connection. So that's the BSU office, and it's near university, like it's within university, and you can directly access it via class building, and it's near Mensa. Here we get the appointments for our residence permit. So online you have to book the appointment and come here to get your residence permit. So this is the Mensa, and right beside Mensa you can see a big building, and that's the student phone line. It's named Boulevard. Two things that I got from Edeka. One is this mushroom creme brulee, because it's Christmas season, and so yeah, wanted some sweets. And this French dessert is also so can get me inside. So this is like very handy. That's why I get it, because every time you don't need to chop the vegetables, and these are already readily available vegetables, just frozen vegetables. Also they are very cheap. Also this packet, so this is a Krauther packet, and it's for 0.99 in every store, be it Aldi, Lidl, Weber, or Edeka, where it's 0.99. And obviously some cake, because again it's Christmas. Yeah, and yeah, some rice. So I got this parboiled rice. People do prefer basmati rice, but I don't have any problem with eating parboiled rice, so it is also good for me. So yeah, this is all that I got today from my grocery shopping. So before ending the video, some final tips would be like, before coming to Germany or University of Bremen, once you get the offer letter, start looking for apartments, be it private or student phone, and just look for it. You'll get your apartments on WG Gesucht or eBay Kleinanzeigen, or also on StudIP, which is student portal. There you can advertise like you're looking for an accommodation, and someone might reply to you. And also there are some advertisements like they want to sublet, or uh, someone is looking for a roommate. So you might check through these portals where you might get one accommodation, which is very necessary, because without a contract of an accommodation, you won't get your city registration done. So it's really important. And also you need landlord certificate, which most of the people forget, but yeah, this is really important because they ask for a landlord certificate. So make sure once you get your accommodation, ask your landlord for a landlord certificate. Second tip would be like, when you come here, you really don't know where to spend. So everything would look very fancy, and you might want to grab anything. So just when you spend it, spend wisely. Just explore where you'll get the cheap thing or alternative of the expensive thing. Just explore and buy it, because trust me, you won't know where your money is literally going, because you only have block account and some money from part-time. But yeah, in your student life,
you should know how to manage, right? That's what our journey in, like, our life in Germany is all about. But yeah, spend wisely, keep a track, and also very important app to use is Splitwise with your flatmates. It's really important. It gives you a track of your expenditures, and it splits the money. So one important app which you should keep. And also in Bremen itself, for transportation, Far Planner app is really important because it also gives you an update of whether the tram is cancelled or not, or the bus is cancelled or not. And if there is a strike, it will let you know. There is a message given over there. But sometimes it's only in German, like maximum time it's in German. But if you're pro, you can like convert it and all, like just use some technical things to convert it and you'll get some idea. And Far Planner is really, really important for for your stay in Bremen. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked the video for Bremen. Bye.
Why don't you? Why don't you? Why don't you?